Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are relaxing my afro. Yeah, it has run its course honestly, and there's plenty of reasons why we are deciding to relax my hair today, but we're not going to get into that. But yeah, we are going to be using the Dark and Lovely Superior Moisture Plus. It's a super and not regular because my pattern is too strong or too defined, and yeah, I decided to use this. If it burns me, I'm gonna rinse it ASAP Rocky because I'm not about to suffer. The last time I relaxed my hair was 2016 when I was in grade 12. Yeah, that was the last time I had relaxed hair, and ever since then I had an afro. This is literally a year after I cut my hair. It is exactly a year after I cut my hair. But yeah, that's what I will be doing today. I have a relaxer. I'll show you what's in the relaxer. And then I have a moisturizer, Dark and Lovely's and OG. I was using Dark and Lovely back in the day, but I'd go to a salon. But now because I do my own hair, why not? So I got this moisturizer. We'll see how it goes. I hope it works out. And then I have Vaseline. This is for my hairline and just around my hair, so that I do not burn because I don't want sores. Now I'm gonna show you what comes with this relaxer. Comes with a lot of things. What is this? Oh, neutralizing shampoo. We have shampoo. Good shot because I'm not about to buy shampoo, but I have plenty at home. And then we have this wooden stick. I'm gonna use it to mix, and it has plastic gloves. And then this is a leave-in coconut oil, and then we have a leave-in conditioner, I think, but leave-in whatever. And then this is a restorative treatment. This is treatment mixed with shea butter and so on and so forth. And then we have cream activator, and yeah, the star of the show, it's the relaxer. Oh my god. I hope it works. Yeah, this is the relaxer, and then I'll just follow the steps from here on how to go about it. And I will do a voiceover from here because I don't want it to be a long video while I talk and do the stuff. When I apply the relaxer, and I decided to use this towel to cover my shoulders so that when the cream falls off, it doesn't fall on my skin, because I do not want it to cause any damage or want my skin to react to it, because my skin's a bit sensitive, or can be sometimes. And yeah, we'll get into the video. But before that, let's just say bye to my hair. It looks nice on camera, guys. When I tell you my frustrations with it, you won't believe, but oh well. It's whatever. And it doesn't take time for me to grow my hair. If I wish to have my afro back, I can always have it back at any time. Well, not at any time, but whenever I wish to. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman to serve good bang. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. description. Look so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Cause you win, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fistful of diamonds, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah.
I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Fire you for your fucking ass. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up on the stairs. I buy you shit because you're red. Plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming here. The nigga can't compete, I swear. He trapping down in the too weird, baby. I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Find you for your fucking ass. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. 8 p.m. Text to your DM. You fucking ass. Too early for your fucking nails. Shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up.
I had to give you, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere.
Okay, we're done. I'm not gonna style my hair, and I'll see you guys in a bit. This was tiring. It was exhausting, more than a normal wash day that I'm used to. This was draining. I would not recommend. But yeah, this is my hair. There isn't really much of a difference, honestly, because I think texture, they're just straight more than anything, but I'm happy. And yeah, you see at the back, it's better now because I relaxed it. Guys, been trying to like a huge ass patch, but yeah, it's whatever. Part of the big influences that led me to relax my hair. And also, I'm tired, Rutu. I'm tired. Okay, I'm gonna apply this and then style my hair, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Just for peace.